Hello there, my name is Glitchcraft. I'm a variety streamer and I stream indie games for about 4 days a week on both Twitch and YouTube. And if you have ever watched my stream, you know that I have this fancy little box right here in my screen where it shows who my Ko-fi supporters are. And in this video, I am going to explain to you how to make this. Shall we just dive in? So my good friend Fractal Mind Mike, who is a fantastic retro game streamer, has made this piece of code. I will post a link to this page in the description of the video. This is what's going to be looking like for you. But there's some stuff that we can change to fit your own looks and wishes. Down here you have the paste bin link. Please click on that. It will open up this, which will be the code that we're going to be working with. Now, I know that sounds very complicated, but it's not that bad. You can open up an empty text document. So you will go to your desktop, right-click on the mouse, and open up a new text document. I already have one ready here. Here is the text document that we have. And this is where we can edit to your own likings. So for instance, you can write here the name of your subscribers, name here, the name of the tier of your subscriptions. So here it says super supporter, supporter, gold supporter. We're just gonna leave those as they are. If you decide to change this, the tier names, make sure that you also change them here. So how it goes is, you can change the color of the icon here to a color that you want yourself. You can do so here. So if you have the super supporter rank, you can say, hey, I want the super supporter icon. I want that to be yellow. And the gold super supporter, I want this to be... So you can Google CSS colors, and there's a bunch of colors here that you can choose. So let's say light pink. Let's say a light pink. And the regular supporter, let's make it orange red. That sounds good to me. Orange, red. All right. So here you can fill in the names, the tiers, the colors. Down here you can select how long you want it to be visible. So it will be automatically set to 3 seconds per name. I personally find that a little bit short. I think 6 seconds is the right spot, so I would change this to 6,000. We leave it like that. Down here you can change the emojis. So what it does, it shows random emojis from the list that has been added there. So you have a donut, an ice cream, a cup of coffee, stuff like this. You can take some of these away, but you can also add new ones. So for instance, we would like to have this cute cat face. So we go to the link right here. We just Google basically CSS emojis, but I'll put the link in the description as well. Here we have the hex code for this emoji. And basically what you want to do is you just paste it here. Let's just copy this because I don't want to write that all myself. Copy that and paste it here. Oops. And let's take another as well. So let's say we want this one, screaming in fear. That sounds perfect. So we add that one there, and let's take these away, because we don't want too many. I mean, whatever you want, obviously. Down here, you can change the position of the text. Now, I do not know too much about how to do that, but you can basically drag it to wherever you want it in your OBS. So I'm just gonna leave this for what it is. You can change the font size, the font itself as well, and the background color and stuff. I have not touched this myself, so I'm not going to right now. Okay, so what you then do is you save this. You click Save As, and you want to save it as a HTML file. So what we do is we go down here in the text documents, save as type text document. We click on all files and we say Ko-fi supporters, or whatever name you prefer, .html. And we click save. Now what you will notice is that it has it saved, pardon my busy thing here, it has it saved right here as a browser source. And here we can see what we just filled in. Here we have the cute cat face. See, so that's all the things that we just edited. And then what you want to do is you want to go into OBS, into the scene where you would like to have this browser source, obviously. You can click on the plus. You click on a browser source. You say Ko-fi supporters. Okay. And you select local file. Then you go browse and you select the file that you have just made, which is, for me, this one right here. And you open it up. For the width, I would say put this to 1,000 and this can be like 300, I think. I think that works. And there we have it. There we have it. You can resize it like this if you want it and just drag it to the position where you want it to be. If you want to edit the names, because obviously you might get some new subscribers or some decide to go for a lower or a higher tier or whatever. You want to edit this, obviously. So what you will do is you will open an empty text document. You will say, I want to open a file. And you want to say all files. And then here you can select the Ko-fi supporters. You can edit the name. New fan. And you can save it just as that. And then you want to go back into OBS. You want to double click Ko-fi supporters. You want to refresh the cache. Then it will have refreshed it. See, there we have it, new fan. So this is it. It's as simple as that. I hope this is understandable for everybody. If not, please let me know in the comments and I'll try to explain what isn't clear yet for you. And yeah, good luck and happy streaming. And please like the video and subscribe if you found it useful. All right, bye bye.